Hello students, welcome to the official YouTube channel of RK International School. In this video, we will discuss some fundamentals of computer. It means what is a computer, characteristics of a computer, disadvantages of computer and the 5 generation of computer. So let's start. A computer is a device that accepts information in the form of digitalized data and manipulated it from some result based on a program or sequence of instructions on how the data is to be processed. It means the computer takes some inputs from the user and proceed it and give us the desired output. What is a computer? A computer, in general way, a computer is an electronic device that can perform a variety of operations in accordance with a set of instructions called program. Computer can access and process data millions of times faster than human can. What is data? A data in computer terminology means raw facts and figure. It means the raw material that is used to proceed. For example, RK International School, that is the name of your school, your name and your roll number, that is 23 maybe. And what is information? Information means what we get after processing data, that is meaningful data. For example, RK International School is the best school in area. Let's talk about some characteristics of computer. There are some characteristics of computer. First of all, we will discuss about the speed of computer. A computer is a very fast device. It can carry our instruction at a very high speed. The speed of a computer is called in MIPS, that is million instructions per second. The second characteristic is accuracy. Computer can perform all the calculations and comparisons accurately. And the third one is high storage capacity. We all know that in computer, a computer can store a large amount of information in a very small space. That is called the space is a pen drive, a memory chip, etc. The fourth one and the main reason to use the computer, the fourth characteristic is reliability. Computer provides a very high speed accompanied by an equality high reliability. Thus computer never make a mistake of their own record. With the advantages of these characteristics, computer can hold some disadvantages also. Number one, unemployment. Unemployment means the computer performs different tasks automatically. It reduces the need of people and increases unemployment in society. Second one is health risk. The improper and prolonged use of a computer can result in injuries or disorder of hand, wrist, elbows, eyes, neck, and back. The user can avoid health risks by using the computer in proper position. The third disadvantage and the main disadvantage of computer is computer crime. People use the computer for negative activities. It means they hack the credit card number of the people and misuse that. Or they can steal important data from big organizations. The fourth disadvantage of computer is data security. The data stored in a computer can be accessed by unauthorized persons through networks. It has created serious problems for the data security. After discussing about the characteristics and disadvantages of a computer, we should discuss about the generation of a computer. We all know that everything developed in the phases. Thus, the computer also developed in many phases. These phases of the computer is called the generation of a computer. There are five generations of a computer: first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth and fifth generation. Let's talk about these generations. Number one, first generation. It starts from 1942 and ends in 1955. In the first generation of a computer, the computer were used vacuum tubes technology to process data. For example, ENIAC, EDVAC, EDSAC, UNISAC are some examples. The first generation computer are big in size, slow in operation, error prone, expensive, consume list of electricity. It means they had many drawbacks with them. So, to reduce these drawbacks, the second generation of computer was introduced in 1955 and goes to 1964. The second generation computer used transistor to process the data. For example, IBM 1401 and IBM 700 series. Second generation computers were smaller, faster and cheaper than the first generation of computer. They consume comparatively lesser power. To overcome these drawbacks of the computer second generation, the third generation was introduced in 1964. In third generation of computer, the computer used integrated circuits, that is called ICs, to process the data. IBM 360 ICL 1900 series were some examples of third generation computer. Third generation computer were smaller, faster, cheaper than the second generation of computer. They consume comparatively lesser power. But they also have some drawbacks. To reduce these drawbacks, fourth generation of computer were called. The fourth generation of computer were introduced in 1975 and goes to 1989. The fourth generation of computer use LSI, it means large scale integration circuits, and VLSI, it means very large scale integration circuits. IBM 4300, ICL 2900 were some examples of fourth generation of computer. Fourth generation computer were smaller, faster and cheaper than the previous generation of computer. That is the third generation. The fourth generation computer consume lesser power. In fourth generation computer, thousands of transistors on a single chip called microprocessor were used. Now, the fifth generation has been introduced in 1989 and it is in running mode till now. The fifth generation of computer are using ultra-scale large integration circuits and artificial intelligence to process data. For example, they are using in robotics designs and defense etc. So, dear students, thank you for watching the video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.